Hello everyone, it's Olivia from NurseLuxe. Welcome back to another NurseLuxe unboxing video. Today, I am taking you through the contents of the December box. I'm all decked out in my little NurseLuxe Santa hat and scarf, and I'm so excited to show you what awesome holiday goodies are in this month's box. So let's get into it. Yay! I always say that opening a NurseLuxe box is basically like Christmas, and now it basically is Christmas. So I'm so excited to show you. First thing that I see in the box are the pieces of paper. We have the letter from Mary Grace and the team at NurseLuxe. We have the cocktail of the month card, and we have the about this box card with all of the product information, as well as the theme, which is merry and bright. So the first item is beautiful wool socks. This is perfect for getting cozy at night. These are so beautiful too. I just think they're so classy looking, and they'll keep your toes warm if you have, these are perfect in boots because that's what I wear them with, and they're just always keeping my toes nice and warm. It's super easy because they're also machine washable. All you need to do is lay them flat to dry. We absolutely love these socks, and we know you will too. So they're great for staying cozy during the holiday season. The next item in the box is this delicious chocolate bar from Lake Champlain Chocolates. It's Candy Cane Crunch, filled with festive peppermint enveloped in dark chocolate. This is the perfect way to treat yourself at night after a shift, or if you're feeling really nice, you can share. But it is really delicious, perfect for the holiday season, and it's made with dark chocolate, so it's got lots of antioxidants. What is that meme online that says, oh yes, it's chocolate comes from cocoa, which is a tree, which is a plant, which basically means when you're eating chocolate, you're eating salad. And we definitely live by that mantra at NurseLuxe, so we hope you enjoy this chocolate bar. Up next, we have this snow globe badge reel. This is heavy duty, made of enamel and rhinestones, and it's the perfect way to add some sparkle and show your holiday spirit on your scrubs and hold your ID. Just clip it on your scrubs. This guy moves if you want it to. And it also looks really great with the NurseLuxe ID holder that comes in your intro box. Yeah, this looks really beautiful with all the sparkle and shine. Just add it right to your scrubs. And it's the perfect way to show your holiday spirit and add some sparkle to your workday. The next item is a beauty item, and it is the Mega Color Lip Balm by Glam and Grace. So I'm gonna open it up and show you. This is free of parabens, and it's also all natural. It is a sheer muted red color, so you can wear it pretty much any time. You can wear it with your scrubs, or you can also wear it to a holiday party. It is really beautiful. It smells amazing. It smells like coconut oil, which I absolutely love. And I'm gonna try it on for you so you can kind of see how it looks. I absolutely love this, and it's so moisturizing, so it's ideal for the winter time. Oh, I love the smell. It smells amazing. This is just the perfect thing to add to your purse or your makeup bag or your bag when you're working, that is going to keep your lips moisturized and also looking a little bit glam and beautiful as well. Up next is this really beautiful jade roller. Now we know you've seen these everywhere, but that's for good reason because these are magical. I really, really love these for so many reasons. Now, it's said to be able to brighten and depuff your skin, and it's also great for applying your skincare products. So whether you're using whatever your moisturizer is, whatever your skincare products are, or you could be using the Dirty Lamb Nighttime Serum from our Bedtime for Tired Nurses box. I love that one. That would be perfect to use with this. And all you do is you put on your skincare and you just roll upward, always upward when you're applying, and it just has the most beautiful cooling sensation. And this is also amazing for if you've had a really, 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 really exhausting shift. This really just is nice and cooling and just makes your skin feel alive and great, and it's perfect for the winter time because as we know, skin can get dry and dull. I don't know why I'm still doing this, I'm just talking and doing this, but our skin can get dry and dull in the winter, and this is an awesome product to help you cool down your skin, deep huff, and maybe even brighten, and it just makes you feel really fancy when you're putting on your skincare. So we love this, and it has two sides. This side is great for your full face and going up your neck and décolletage, and then there's this little side which is great for under eye, so you can just really get in that area. And last but most certainly not least is this Merry and Bright candle by Sweetwater Decor. It is hand poured with soy wax, and we all know that soy wax is awesome and burns longer and cleaner. And it smells like Christmas. It smells like if Christmas was poured in a candle. Honestly, like if you think of a scent from Christmas, this is what it smells like. It smells like evergreen trees, hint of cinnamon, something sweet as well. It is just the perfect mix of scents that's really going to satisfy everyone's taste in candles, because it's not too musky, it's not too sweet. It is just right and perfect to burn during the holiday season. Everyone's gonna walk into your place and be like, wow, what is that smell? This is such a beautiful candle, and it looks great too. It is just absolutely gorgeous. That is all for our NurseLuxe unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. We hope that you have the most happy, warm, peaceful holiday, whether it be Christmas, whatever you celebrate. Thank you for all that you do as nurses, and especially if you're working shift during the holidays. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We love nurses, and we hope that these items make your holiday season a little merry and bright. So stay sane, stay gorgeous, and happy holidays, and keep on nursing. Bye everyone.